Okay, mas high-tech tayo ngayon, ha. Okay. Iyan ako na lang. Isip ko lang. Ma'am.
Sir, paano ba? Assistant mo ako ngayon.
Oo nga. Kailangan mo ata ng tip. Ba't ako yung mamimigay? Medyo hinaan ko lang po yung aircon kasi doon sa mic ayun, lalakas na yan siguro. Ay dito lang. AC is on. Ayan, digitalized na climate control system, tapos drive. Okay, so this is a hybrid version ng Suzuki Ertiga. At lahat po technically ay hybrid, no? Tama?
Yes.
No coding.
No coding.
Yan ang pati yung manual transmission, ha?
Yes.
Na rin, may hybrid rin. May sino yung yung sa autodeal.com.ph, parang siya yung explain sa amin kung how does the hybrid work. It's really genius kasi nagduda ako nung una, ba't yung manual transmission nagkaroon ng hybrid. And ilalagay muna natin sa reverse, perhaps meron tong camera. Yes. Ano to? Tapos with guided lines, medyo fixed lang siya kapag hindi siya sumasabay sa steering wheel. But okay lang. Yeah. So, hinina ko muna yung radio natin. Paturo na lang ulit. Nakalimutan ko na sa dipole.
Sige sir, diretso.
Okay, diretso lang. Alright. Okay, visibility natin dito sa Suzuki Ertiga. Walang blind spots, I have to say. Yeah. I think someone needs to sit down. Yeah. Tapos ang smooth, ang smooth niya. Kasi alam kong may nakita akong segunda at primera, so ibig sabihin nitong this is not a CVT transmission, which is a traditional automatic transmission. Ang smooth na niya ng takbo niya. So yan, meron ako nakikita dito. Sige ma'am, bigyan mo muna sa akin yan. I think kaya ko naman. Okay, meron tayong nakikitang monitoring system dito. Yung battery is charging right as of now. Tapos yan, yung sinasabi kong a bit of a genius ng Suzuki dito, yung manual transmission variant. Kanan ba?
Kanan.
Tapos in-explain ni Kako Tirona is yung ni-replace yung yung alternator nito. Yun yung nagkaroon ng electric motor something eh.
Well, ang sinasabi ko dito is about the integrated starter generator or ISG. At meron siyang kasama na 12-volt lithium-ion battery pack or tinatawag na smart hybrid system.
Kaya siya na-categorize as a hybrid variant.
Yes, just a mild hybrid. Hindi lang parallel hybrid. Mamaya explain ko.
Sabi ko, manual transmission tapos hybrid? Okay, that's quite new. Yung pala, it's like naging marketing na siya as a hybrid kasi yung electric motor thingy, yun pumalit sa alternator. So, it is really genius. Diba? Ganda pa ng busina.
Diretso siya.
Hata ko. Okay. So, katulad na sinabi namin kanina, wala nga itong coding. That's the perfect part. Most likely yung mga kalaban nito is ito, yung kotse na yan. Tapos itong kotse na to. Malalaman naman ni ma'am yan. ano yung dinisplay ko mga sasakyan. Pero nasa teritoryo tayo nila. At ayun, needless to say, it is really buttery smooth when driving this one.
Right.
At ayun, needless to say, a good feeling nga pala muna dito sa steering wheel natin. Perhaps it is an electric power steering, and then syempre pagkanayan ng mga wipers. Oo, sina ako. sorry. Pagka when it comes to parking, ayan, sinabi ko na kanina, wala siyang blind spot. And parang ako na rin halos naka SUV like na rin ako isa pa yung napakahabang pintuan doon sa rear passenger door natin. Ang haba pag binuksan nyo, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, ang haba-haba niya. At least yung benefits doon, yung entrance ng ng isang tao, hindi siya nahihirapan, hindi siya masikip. We're good to go. Right. Okay. So, acceleration. Okay. Nice. Suspension fails, di matagtag as usual. Okay. Sakto lang. Pero hindi siya observedly matagtag. Tapos yung side bolsters natin dito, really comfortable to the hands. Obviously, the leather that is wrapped over here. In fairness, yung natin, yung wood, yeah, I think, wood varnish na halong plastic is nasa beneath the steering wheel. Hindi siya on top of the steering wheel. So, ay balang. Right. Tapos may mga steering wheel controls dito. Probably na sabi ko to sa sa in-depth tour. Tignan nyo na lang. Then, rewind nyo na lang kung gusto nyo.
Ayun, nagkamali ako guys kasi hindi ko naman pa talaga napapakita yung in-depth tour ng Suzuki Ertiga Hybrid. So, eto na talaga yun, yung in-depth tour ng Suzuki Ertiga Hybrid. Right. So, speaking of the Ertiga, let's start with this one. Naka-finish siya within the silver paint. Tapos yan, medyo madaling guys pasensyahan nyo na lang. But this is the interior wise of it. Yan. Simula ako sa passenger, baka mamaya may papasok But, this is finished with the leather seats. Ma'am, naka-leather seats po ba yung yung Ertiga natin kanina? Ma'am Jenny? Sorry. Sige. Ako na lang mamaya tanongin natin. Okay, never mind. Dito na lang tayo sa natin. Infotainment system just like a while ago. Kasi napansin ko talaga, it actually really looks similar with this vehicle. Yan. Yan yung napapansin kong dashboard niya. Tapos, engine start stop right over there. Yan. And then, yung transmission natin, yung shift boot natin is really nice. Yan. Tapos, syempre, lilipat muna ako sa sa driver side para makita nyo na lang na maayos itong tachometer and the speedometer. Keyless entry nga pala siya guys. So, all I have to do is just press this one just to unlock it. And just to lock it, probably, it's the same process when you do it. Tapos, manually yung mga seats natin. Ayusin lang natin yan just for a bit. And let's climb in. Voila. Yan. Okay. Yan. Para makita natin, binuksan ko muna yung, yung mga headlights natin. And this is the steering wheel. Yan, very sporty steering wheel, 3-spoke steering wheel. Yan, ito yung mga controls natin. Yung sinabi namin kanina, yun yung mga climate control system. Yep, there you go. Then, we're gonna check the engine out. But before that, napapansin ko yung mga features dito is yung auto start stop, tapos yung parking sensors, and then yung traction control off. Bahala na kayo, gusto nyo patayin yung traction control. So, yeah. Turn on. Tapos yun, central locking kanina. Yan. So, syempre, cute with the ribbon. Right. Okay, so this is the engine disposal na meron tayo ngayon. Yan yung specs. At narito na ang makina natin. It is a 1.5 liter K15B 4-cylinder gasoline engine, or should I say, this has a mild hybrid system in which it is paired with a lithium-ion battery, and of course, we have the normal battery. Then, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung traditional alternator was replaced with a integrated starter generator. Usually, ang ginagawa nito is to simply assist the vehicle from a standstill. And then, sabihin natin from a traffic, basically there are some purposes within this system. Alam nyo yung active start-stop. Ayun, yun yung unang-unang main purpose of that. Basically, it has to store the battery. What it does is, kapag sabihin natin when the vehicle is on the fly running, it charges the lithium-ion battery. Kapag when it's on a standstill, nangyayari doon is na-charge na battery in which it is stored on the lithium-ion battery. The lithium-ion battery kicks in whenever the car is sitting on the traffic. So, yan, nakaupo siya dyan. Then, mamamatay yung makina since yun naman ang purpose ng active start-stop. And then magagamit mo yung most of the features ng Suzuki Ertiga. So, just like air conditioning, infotainment system, ayan, basta hindi lang yung makina magagamit. But here's the question. Can you use the electric side of the vehicle alone whenever you're driving? The answer is no. Since ito ay isang mild hybrid, gumagana lang siya when it's on a complete stop. Isipin nyo na lang na ang system ito is somewhat similar with the LaFerrari. Yung LaFerrari, you can't use the electric battery powered alone. So, it's just here to assist the internal combustion engine nga naman. Kung sabihin natin, additional power and torque feel nga naman ng sasakyan. So, ayun lang naman ang pagkakaalam ko within this Suzuki Ertiga hybrid. And since this is a hybrid, yes, so sinabi namin kanina, there is no coding.
And look at that, kung napakaluwag nga naman. Gusto niyo saksakan ng 2 litro to, no problem. Gusto ko mahanap yung nagsaside by yung hybrid Kimema route nito. But yeah, I think ayan ba yun? Is that it? Yan, no? Probably it is. Probably not. But yeah, yan yung natin. Engine specs natin. Lit ng battery. Most likely ano ba to? Naka 1SM ba to? Yan. 1SM battery. Tapos radiator cap is still evident. Yan. Pagka gusto nyo i-check yung may nahalong langis dun sa tubig, there you go. And then yung washer fluids natin dito. Please bear in mind na be careful kapag mag-engine detail kayo. Ingatan nyo itong mga sensors na to, yung 4 na sensors na yan. It might have a fault, so yan. When one of it's kapag nasira yan, baka magkaroon ka ng misfire. Then this is the caution for the exhaust manifold. Sobrang init yan. Don't touch it kasi nakalagay na. Okay. And ito ba ay I'm not so sure kung yan yung ito yung dipstick. Ito pala. Sorry. Yan yung dipstick. And the airbox obviously is this one. Okay, really nice. So while that's open, ito yung front grille natin, really shining with the chrome. Tapos syempre, this is one of the top of the line model. Ito yung may fog lights na to. Then these are the headlights, yan, headlamps. Syempre, ilalagay ko lang yung baba yung hood nito para lang makita niyo na malinis. Okay, so ito yung mga headlights. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung fog lights sa high beams. Sige, bubuksan ko. Wait for a minute. Pero sige, pakita ko na kayo kung paano ibuksan yun. So, grab handles, tapos yan. Yan. Fog lights, tapos yan, high beams. There you go. Yan, full-blown headlights na tayo. Each and every single bulbs would be naka-halogen na to. Yan. That's nice. Good looking headlights. Tapos yung natin, mga side repeaters natin, obviously is LEDs. There you go. Mounted siya sa side mirror housings. And then, doon naman tayo sa likod. Probably may mga daytime running. Yun. Mga laser light na natin dito. Na tail lights. Really nice. Yan. Wala lang siya rear fog lights. So, ayan. Wanna see the full beam? Yan. Ayan siya. There you go. Really nice. To shut them off, dito lang, grab the handle. Tapos twist these knobs. Tapos yan. Yan. There you go. Then, syempre, sasakay muna ako sa rear door. Ayun, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, napakahaba ng rear door ng Suzuki Ertiga. Ayan. Okay. I am quite comfortable. I'm quite comfortable here. Yan, komportable na ako dito. Tapos, yan, ito yung headrest. Tapos, in-adjust ko na yung I adjusted forwards yung natin seats. Tapos may mga leather pouches tayo dito. Yan, gusto mo mga storage, cup holders right over here, or probably your hydro flask, ilalagay niyo siya dito. Power window switches, then yan, mga additional storage natin dito sa gilid. Air louvers, yan, ilagay natin dito. Probably sinisitan na tayo ng guard. Yan, ilagay natin dito yan. with the air louvers. Apat yung air louvers na dito. Decided to make it 4 kasi syempre may uupa kasi sa likod eh. Yan. Tapos, you know what? Sige, silipin na lang natin din. Right, just to, yan. Oh. There we go. Put this one here. This one here. Oh. Right. I think I might broke something. Pero hindi. Wala akong nasira. Okay, so lahat ng switches nandito. Yan. Just don't get to be confused. Yan. Oh yeah, there you go. Probably naka-forward lang itong ano. Yep, just put this one in reverse. And syempre, yan, para ma-completely ano siya dyan. Yan, kasya naman ako doon sa likod. No worries. Yun nga lang, baka mamaya mainitan kayo doon sa air vents. Kasi 4 lang yung nakalagay doon eh. Walang air vents doon sa likod. So, let's grab the handle. Let's turn off the hazards. Tapos, it's time to check on the boot. So, let's make sure to be quiet guys. Kasi nagti 3 o'clock prayer sila. So, yan. Let's go. Yan. Dito na yung sides. There we go. So, just to pull this one down. Yan. There you go. And there you go. Yan. Just to view this one, may mga storage space pa tayo dito. Storage space underneath. So, yung jack nandito lang din. So, pakialaman natin yan. Nandyan siya. Nice. Cup holders. Cup holders. Hindi ka nasabi. And yung spare tire. It's a nice storage for that one. Mga sensors. Sensors. Yan. Wala siyang, hindi siya pinipindot-pindot dito. Pinapansin ako dito, yung chrome natin, finishes natin dito. Meron pala siya dito sa taas. Yan. Probably this is the only difference from the old Ertiga then to the new Ertiga. And obviously, yung hybrid badging. Yan. Meron siya na. Okay. Ertiga badge. Right. We are central locking, syempre. Dual SRS airbags. Probably marami pa itong SRS airbags. But, yeah. Let me check it na lang. And then, yes. I'm waiting for sana magkaroon ng dealership dito. Yung XL7 hybrid. Hinihintay na lang din. Kakana ba dito?
XL7 hybrid sir. Meron na po tayo.
Meron na. Test drive?
Meron po.
Talaga? Meron na?
Ay, wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pang test drive.
Ito yung dala natin. Yan. Medyo bilis ako na onti doon sa hubs na yan. Ibig sabihin, it's really smooth. Okay. Lahat pala matitesting natin dito. Hums, ride quality, yung parking. Kasi kanina, medyo masikip yung paglabas natin sa dealer. So, yan. Thank goodness, meron tayong camera. Though, yung espresso, wala pa. And, syempre, bumawi na aliit. Okay. Yep. There you go. Okay. Tapos, syempre, doon sa likod, nasabi ko na rin to, is yung, dito tawag niya. So, may malaking arrow na sasabing drive-in. Just like I said, meron dong air conditioning vent sa likod. Yeah. For a ease of comfortable. Yep. Lalo ba? Diba? Sakto lang. Tapos pala to? 7-seater configuration to. Yes. So, dati kasi nagkaroon ng stereotype to na unleaded gasoline engine, tapos baka sabihin natin magiging underpowered, pero hindi naman all you have to do is magkaroon ng a bit of a patient when it comes to the throttle there. Pag mararating mo naman yung 100 ganun, pag sabihin natin sa highway. Ayan. Baka yung mga nagsasabing underpower nito ang hihilag lang nilang bumuan dun sa throttle, but yeah, darating na naman dito. And syempre, plus naman dito sa Suzuki Ertiga, since hybrid to, mas matipid sa gas. Okay. Ay, never mind. May kotse sa likod. Ite-demo ko sana yung auto start stop So babalik na kami dun sa kanto na yan, yung kanan na kanto na yan. And the last vehicle that we're going to road test is the Jimny. Yan. Ano ba ito ba? Sorry. 4-door Jimny, 5-door Jimny pala. Sorry. It's an Indian-based vehicle, that's what they say. 3-door based yung Japanese. But yeah, probably matetest natin dito yung auto start stop. Ayan na. Testing na. Ayan. I think naka-hybrid mode na siya siguro. Yan. Okay. Same goes with the espresso. Okay, it's a bit of a jerky. Kasi, nalilito yung system kung under ka ba o start ka ba. Okay. Yung battery na yun yung tawag dito. Yun yung magme-maintain ng ating, okay, so, start stop. Okay. Hazards, dito natin mapapractice yung app.
Sige.
Hindi na? Okay. Try na naman. We have swap. Sorry. Okay. Dito, demo yung walang blind spot masyado. And thanks sa ating camera, may sensors. Malayo ba yan? Yep. Pasensya naman, medyo tabing ang bulo. So yun lang naman. So the last car is yung Suzuki Jimny. Yan, let's go for that one. There goes the Ertiga. And keyless entry nga pala sa, like the color. Nice. Okay. So I think it's time to end the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta ng aming channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Peace. Goodbye.